everyone, this is me Jyotika Bedi, founder of Happiness is Love. Imagine if our loved ones asked us, is there anything I can say or do to make you feel more loved? How can I show more caring to you? Our world would be a happier, kinder and a more loving place if we were taught what is our love language. Today, let's discover what is your love language. How do you like to express it to people around you? And let's learn to speak other people's love language fluently, whether it's our partner, our parents, our children, everyone who's around us. Because I believe love is a choice. Love is a decision that we make every single day, and we all blossom with love and we wither when we don't feel loved. So what is science saying? What is psychology saying? Science says there are 6 love languages. Number 1, gifts. Number 2, hugs. Number 3, physical contact. Number 4, words of appreciation. Number 5, quality time. And the last one is acts of kindness, acts of service. We all have a primary love language and a secondary love language. The way I express love is the way I expect love. The way I give love is the way I like to receive love. So welcome everyone. Join me with this wonderful ride to discover what is your love language. And I'm going to invite you into my house, make you meet my family, and we will ask everyone what is their love language. And to share with you, my primary love language is words of encouragement, words of appreciation and praise. And that's why I'm forever using words of affirmation for people around me, because this is my primary love language. And my secondary love language is acts of kindness, acts of service. When I feel that I am adding meaning and value to other people's lives, when I'm being useful, I feel loved. How do I like to receive love? I like to receive love through words of appreciation and encouragement. How do I like to give love? By helping others. So now, join me to meet my family, my loved ones, as we will discover each other's love language and become fluent in speaking it. Hi again. Now I'm going to take you inside while everybody's eating and ask them for what is their love language. Hello everyone. Hello. How is everyone? Love you family. Okay, so we're talking about love languages. As you know, there are 6 love languages, and we will start with the head of the family, Dad.
For me, appreciation.
Okay.
And hugs.
Wonderful. So primary is appreciation and secondary is hugs?
Absolutely.
Thank you. How do you like to give love?
By appreciating again the kindness of everybody inside and receiving it as well.
Wonderful. Thank you, Dad. Next is Amana or Ayana? Ayana. Okay, choose one. Okay, let me choose. Ayana. Yes, go.
So my love language primary is acts of kindness, and second is words of affirmation.
Wonderful, Ayana. How do you like to give love?
By making cards for people and by asking are you fine and
So
asking
sweet.
for help if they need it.
How nice. And how do you like to receive love?
By sometimes by words of affirmation and sometimes with hugs.
Yeah? All right. What about you, Amana?
So first is hugs.
So your primary is hugs,
Yes.
and secondary?
Gifts.
Gifts. And how do you like to give love?
By making cards.
How sweet. And how do you like to receive love?
Hugs.
All right. Hi, Mother.
Hello.
What's up? Hello, bhaiyas. Hanji, Mama, what is your primary love language?
My primary love language is acts of service,
Okay.
where I love to take care of my family
Wonderful.
and by giving them food of their choice and just taking care of all their needs.
How nice. And what is your secondary?
My secondary is words of or just hugs.
Hugs.
Yeah.
How do you like to give love?
I love to give love by taking care of everybody.
Okay.
And I like to receive love
Okay.
by my loved ones saying that they love me.
How wonderful. Thank you for sharing.
Yes.
Okay, so now what is your primary love language?
Primary love language is. So now I'm confused.
Okay.
Yeah, because
So there is a the way we give love is the way we.
the way I give love
Yes.
is hugs
Right.
and helping
Correct.
service.
Lovely. And how do you like to receive love?
Yeah, so that is again hugs
Right.
and words of affirmation.
You got that right.
Yeah, so, and guys,
So we have all learned that not everyone has the same way of communicating love. We all have our different preferences of receiving love. It means different things to different people. And love is in the little things and in so many things. So together, let us learn the art of love, the science of love, the music of love, the dance of love, the song and celebration of love, because I believe that love is the most powerful healing force in the universe. And together we can build a kinder and a more loving world, because the world already has so many successful people. What we now need is healers, feelers, believers, lovers and givers. Thank you for so much love. All your support really encourages us, and as I shared, it is my love language. So thank you for fueling my love language. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep inspiring.